Welcome. In this video, we are integrating tangent to the fifth power of x times secant to the fourth power of x dx. And we are in the case, that is the case if you're following along for my Canvas course, case 1, where secant is raised to an even power. We want to split off one factor of secant squared x. So that looks like tangent to the fifth x times secant squared x times secant squared x dx. Then we need to recall from trig that tangent squared plus 1 is equal to secant squared x. And if you don't remember where this came from, begin with this identity. Cosine squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. And let's divide everything by cosine. And I think to divide by cosine because I want things in terms of secant and tangent, and cosine happens to be in the denominator of both of these. So when I say divide by cosine, I mean divide every part by cosine squared x. And you notice you end up with 1 plus tangent squared x is equal to secant squared x. Okay, so now that we have that, let's replace one of these secant squareds. So let's rewrite this as tangent to the fifth x times tangent squared x plus 1 times secant squared x dx. Now I can let w equal tangent x, then dw is equal to secant squared x dx. Everywhere we see a tangent, let's replace that with a w. So I have w to the fifth times w squared plus 1. And this secant squared x dx, this is replaced with just a dw. We can rewrite this as w to the seventh power plus w to the fifth dw. So this is w to the eighth power over 8 plus w to the sixth power over 6 plus a constant. Now I can finally replace each of these w's with a tangent x to end up with tangent to the eighth power of x over 8 plus tangent to the sixth power of x over 6 plus a constant. I hope this video was helpful.